Neuroendocrine cancer often starts small, about the size of a grain of sand. Although it may be visible on scans at a very small size, it may not show the features of a definite abnormality until it is about 5 millimeters, for example the size of a small pea. We have neuroendocrine cells throughout the body. Therefore, neuroendocrine cancer can start almost anywhere these cells exist. The most common primary sites are within neuroendocrine cells in the lungs, small bowel, pancreas, or appendix. Primary site refers to where your neuroendocrine cancer started to grow. In trying to identify and confirm neuroendocrine cancer, it is important to understand whether the primary site is the only site. As mentioned in section 1, when cancer occurs, cells forget their normal rules, and it is possible, even at a very small size, for cells to break off from the primary site and travel elsewhere. The terms metastatic or secondary cancer both refer to the spread of cancer cells from the place where they first formed, or primary site, to another part of the body. Because of this, you may be asked to have a number of tests before your diagnosis is confirmed, including some specialist tests that may not be routinely available at the same hospital. Whilst many of these tests will be available at your local hospital, some blood and urine samples may need to be sent to a specialist lab, or you might need to travel to a specialist centre to undergo others, such as certain scans. Once you have a diagnosis, some of the tests you have undergone will be used to monitor your health and the effects of any treatment you might have. In this section, we've listed the main tests used for diagnosing and monitoring. However, there may be others that are not included here. But before we do, it is important to discuss shared decision-making and consent, as these are as important for examination and tests as they are for treatments.